Ratanang Malema, the son of the Economic Freedom Fighters leader Julius Malema, has made a passionate call for young people to actively participate in the country's political landscape, urging them not to remain passive observers in shaping South Africa's future. Addressing the youth, Malema emphasized the importance of voting and civic engagement, highlighting that meaningful change can only be achieved when young citizens take responsibility for the direction of the nation. He encouraged them to rally behind key issues such as free education, land distribution without compensation, and broader economic freedom. According to him, these policies are central to addressing inequality and creating opportunities for the next generation. He stressed that the youth hold significant power and influence, but that power can only be realized through active involvement in democratic processes. Malema's message comes at a time when voter apathy among young people remains a growing concern. He challenged this trend, calling on the youth to rise above disengagement and play a decisive role in transforming society, and said the future belongs to the youth, but only if they are willing to step forward and claim it. His remarks serve as both a rallying cry and a reminder that lasting change requires participation, not silence.
Forward to the expropriation of land without compensation. Forward! Forward to free equality and decolonized education. Forward! Thank you very much. My name is Ratanang Malema. I'm from Ward 13, Seshego. I am part of the people who were asked here to come and speak today. Ours is very simple. We were just called here by the leadership to encourage young people to vote. Young people need to stop standing on the sidelines as politics affects them. They must vote for change. They must vote for free education. They must vote for the liberation of our people. And they must vote for economic freedom in our lifetime. Amandla! Amandla!
Are beneficiaries of Sisofunda Genkani. It was the EFF that registered more than 500,000 students since this campaign started for free in the universities and in the TVET colleges. That's why EFF wins elections in the TVETs and universities, because it touches lives of young people practically and makes sure that they are registered.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.